Unraveling the heart. Understanding, wrapped up in love. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and heartwarming phrase that you might have come across in songs, movies, or even casual conversations, wrapped up in love. This video will explore its meaning, usage, and how it reflects the depth of human emotions. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love to enrich your vocabulary with expressive phrases, you're in the right place. At its core, wrapped up in love is a metaphorical expression used to describe a state where someone is completely immersed in the feeling of love. It evokes the image of being enveloped or cocooned in the warmth and comfort of love, much like being snugly wrapped in a blanket. This phrase can refer to romantic love, familial love, or the deep affection one has for friends. Wrapped up in love can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the intensity and depth of one's feelings. It's commonly found in literature and poetry, where authors convey characters' deep emotional states. Songs and movies, often used to describe scenes or moments filled with love and affection. Everyday conversations, to express personal feelings or comment on the relationship dynamics of others. When using this phrase, it's important to ensure that the context is clear and that it truly reflects a profound level of affection or commitment. To help you grasp its usage, let's look at a few examples. 1. Ever since they met, they've been wrapped up in love, barely noticing the world around them. 2. This book is about more than just adventure. It's about being wrapped up in love, even in the face of danger. 3. During the cold winter nights, they felt wrapped up in love, sharing stories by the fireplace. These examples showcase how the phrase can be adapted to different scenarios, always highlighting a deep, enveloping connection. The idea of being wrapped up in something goes beyond just love. It's a versatile expression used to indicate total immersion in any emotion or activity. However, when paired with love, it gains a special, almost sacred connotation, reflecting the universal human desire for deep, meaningful connections. Culturally, this phrase resonates with many because it transcends the physical, touching on the emotional and spiritual dimensions of love. It's a testament to love's power to protect, warm, and transform. We hope this exploration of wrapped up in love has not only expanded your vocabulary but also warmed your heart a bit. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of love's encompassing nature, capable of wrapping us in comfort, joy, and connection. Whether you're expressing your feelings or crafting stories, remember the power of being wrapped up in love. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep loving, keep learning, and see you in the next video.